Good day. My name is Lorabel Canoy of MMM Philippines. This is my brief presentation about MMM ideology. What is MMM? MMM is a social financial network. The participants of MMM help each other financially. All transferred funds to another participants are your help given by your own goodwill to another one, absolutely gratis. MMM is a global mutual aid fund community. It is a community of people providing each other financial help in the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMM is a financial social network. It is an international, self-adjusting community. At MMM, there is no boss and contracts. It is not HIEP, an investment or MLM program. It has no central account and it does not collect your money. It is not a bank and it is not a company. MMM is a peer-to-peer system of financial aid. Participants of MMM give help by transferring the money to each other directly, and it is possible through the use of Bitcoin, the digital money accepted globally. How MMM works. Today, our modern world is a world for money. It is not a world for people, but it is a world for bankers and capitalist people. And because of these bankers, it gives the people to be slaves for money. And good thing we have this MMM. It helps us reach our dreams to have financial freedom. So how MMM works? I will give you an example how MMM works. For example, Brian has an extra of $10,000 and he wants to provide help to another person, contributing at 30% growth per month. Brian goes to his virtual personal office at MMM and click the button Provide Help. This creates a Mavro, MMM virtual currency in his personal office. Although the real money is still in his pocket. Since this moment, his Mavro started to grow despite the fact he has not transferred yet to another person who needs help. There is another man, Peter, who needs help and had provided help for about 3 months ago in the amount of $10,000, and he needs an amount of $21,970. Peter press a Get Help button in his personal office, and the system will find a member in the community that will match to his needs. That could be 2 or more members that will provide help, and one of them is Brian. The system connects the people by providing the sender of the recipient bank details. The sender makes the transaction, and the recipient, after the money is received, confirms the reception. MMM Personal Office. Since that moment, Brian has the right to receive financial assistance according to the amount of Mavros which have grown in his personal office during the period of participation. In order to receive help, Brian needs to press the corresponding button in his personal office and another person will transfer money to him. And so on and so on. Previous are paid at the expense of the next. That's how simple the system works. What are the rules and regulations of MMM? First, understand the ideology of MMM. Second, donate your free or extra money. Third, help others without greed. Next, tell only true ideology to people. And work with dedication and honesty. Always guide people on the rules of MMM and never misbehave or cheat anyone. MMM works if the incoming cash flow is equal or higher than the outward flow. In other words, the overall cash amount provided by the participants in 24 hours must be higher than the amount required by the other participants who want to get help. Let us say $100,000 have been provided by the participants and $90,000 have been required. That's it, it works. There is no panic. This condition can be prejudiced for a short period of time. During this violation, MMM will work due to the internal reserves. This work based on inertia is possible for several months depending on the gap between the cash flows. The first condition is assured by advertisement and graphene among the participants. The practice shows that if the system just pays the long-time development and stable works of MMM is insufficient. By the way, the geometric progression of both live money and participants in the system is not necessary. The number of participants can increase much slower and it won't preclude payments of high interest just because the amount of debt the system owes to its participants is irrelevant. The only thing that is important is the behavior of the participants. So why join MMM? You can get 30% growth per month for the help you provide. 10% referral bonus from the help your referral provided. Your referral could be your relatives, friends, acquaintances. 3 or 5% bonus on your letter of happiness on video. 3% will be credited to your wallet if your video do not show your face but only a presentation with your voice. 5% if your video shows your face with your voice. And you can also get additional bonus of $20, $50, and $100 depending of the amount on your first help. You will get additional bonus. What are the additional benefits of MMM? Become a manager and enjoy the following benefits. 5% bonus from your first level participant donation. Third, 3% bonus from your second level participant donation. 1% bonus from your third level, 0.5% from your fourth level, 0.3% from your fifth level, 0.01% from your sixth level, 0.05% from your seventh level, 0.03% from your eighth level, 0.01% bonus from your ninth level to infinity. Is MMM legal? MMM is absolutely legal and does not break any laws because there are only money transfers between private persons and nothing more. There are no laws in any part of the world that prohibits donations. Be the change you wish to see in the world. That's the end of my presentation on MMM ideology and how it works. So come and join us now, and together we can change the world. Once again, this is Laura Belcano, a proud participant of MMM Philippines. Thank you for watching.